Hello, children. Sujata Miss is back here. Today, in this short video, I'm going to discuss about the alluvial soil and few questions that usually come in the board examination associated with this soil. The alluvial soil, the most important soil of India, it is a transported soil formed by sediments deposited by rivers and winds. Alluvial soil is an ex-situ soil. The texture of this soil varies as it is transported, formed by sediments brought by rivers. These soils are coarsest in the upper course of a river, medium in the middle, and finest in the delta region. Alluvial soil is fertile since it is rich in minerals like iron, magnesia, alumina, potash, and lime. It responds well to irrigation and manuring. It is good for both kharif and rabi crops like rice, sugarcane, wheat, jute, etc. Alluvial soil is found in the Indo-Gangetic plain, the coastal regions, and the deltas of Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada, and Tapi. According to age, alluvial soil is divided into two types: Khadar alluvial soil, that's a young alluvial soil, and Bhangar, the old alluvial soil. Now, the first question is, why are alluvial soils very fertile? The answer: alluvial soil is rich in minerals like iron, magnesia, potash, alumina, and lime, and it responds very well to irrigation and manuring. Next, which type of soil is widely distributed in the Ganga basin and most widely transported soil? It is alluvial soil. The next question: why alluvial soil of the coastal region are black in color? Alluvial soils of coastal region are black in color as the rivers of Deccan Plateau flowing through black soil region carry the black soil to delta. So the alluvial soil of coastal region are called coastal alluvium. They are non-porous, clayey, and dark in color. Now, for as per as this question is concerned, that why it is black in color, answer up to this is enough. That is, the rivers of Deccan Plateau flowing through black soil region carry the black soil to the delta. Extra information regarding this coastal alluvium: they are non-porous, clayey, and dark in color. Next question: alluvial soil differs in texture. Since it is a transported soil, it is coarsest in the upper course of a river, medium in the middle course, and finest in the lower course of a river. Next question: Khadar is more fertile than Bhangar. Khadar is newer alluvium, replenished by floods during rainy season, and is enriched by fresh silt deposits. These contain fine sand and clay, while Bhangar is older alluvium, darker in color, found 30 meters above the flood level of rivers, and contain conquered pebbles and gravel. Now, from this answer, children, you also can get the difference between Khadar and Bhangar. See, first difference: Khadar is newer alluvium, and for Bhangar, the first difference: Bhangar is older alluvium. Khadar, it is very fertile since it is replenished by floods during rainy season and is enriched by fresh silt deposit. But for Bhangar, it is not that fertile because it is coarse in nature and contain conquered pebbles, gravels. Third difference: for Khadar soil, they contain fine sand and silt because it is found along the floodplains. But for Bhangar soil, the third difference is it is dark in color and it is found 30 meters above flood level of rivers. Next question. How are alluvial soils formed? Alluvial soils are formed by sediments deposited by rivers and winds. Next question. Give two advantages of alluvial soil. First, it is rich in minerals, so it is very fertile and it is suitable for growth of large variety of rabi and kharif crops. Second difference, it is light and porous and therefore easily tillable. Next question. Why color of alluvial soil varies in different areas? The color depends on the depth of deposition, texture of materials, and the time taken for maturity. Next, deltaic alluvium is more fertile than coastal alluvium. Deltaic alluvium is enriched with fresh deposition of sediments during floods, while coastal alluvium can be mixed with sand and thus water retention capacity is low. Next question, give reason like why sugarcane is grown in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is rich in fertile alluvial soil and is so suitable for cultivation of wheat. Another give reason, jute is cultivated in West Bengal. Now, since West Bengal is rich in Khadar alluvial soil, so jute is cultivated here. Thank you, children. That's all for today. Next video I'll upload on Tuesday, and that will be about black soil. Thank you, children.